What do you have?
I have a magic thing.
A magic thing? What is it?
It's a magic minion. It turns into a face cloth when it's wet.
Oh, what's happening? Let me see. Oh, cool. Is it starting to get soft?
Yeah, it's starting to turn into a face cloth.
That's pretty cool. Oh, I see. It's growing, isn't it?
It is. Wow. Look at the inside of it.
Can you unfold it yet?
I could unfold it.
Oh, keep getting it wet until it's all unfolded. And then you can see how it grew into a big face cloth.
The biggest face cloth in town. Oh! It's unfolding.
Cool. Use your other hand to rub the water in and see if you can squish the water inside it. Showing everybody our messy bathroom here. Oh, what's happening?
It's turning into a face cloth.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, cool. Look at that. What's on it?
Nut? A minion.
Awesome.
Look.
Wow, nice job. Is it all unfolded now?
Almost.
Cool. Get it all unfolded and then you can wash your face with it.
In the bathtub.
You can open it up and show it. Wow.
Look, guys. Look, guys.
Cool. Who is that?
Stuart. It's Stuart.
That's pretty awesome. Can you show me how you wash your face with it? Good job.